New day, new package, this time from Sonos. I think this is the charger that I'm looking for. I'll show you in a moment. Oh yeah, this is the wireless charger for Sonos Roam. Nice. Nice. Let's get started. So this is the charger. And the AC to USB power adapter. Pretty self-explanatory. Just have to take off this felt cover. Nice rubberized charger. This looks and feels extremely premium. No wonder Sonos charged $65 Canadian for this. It's so worth it. So the only thing I need to do is plug my unit. You can see it's charging. Beautiful. If you find video shorts like this to be helpful, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to put your comments down below to give me more feedback and whatnot. And don't forget to click on the notification button so the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.